Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you about vertex and vertices. So I want to show you a picture of a vertice like this one right here. And I want to draw one for you so you know. It's like, I'm just drawing a cube. Sorry guys, it's like this. I'm really bad at drawing them. So, you gotta circle one of those. That. Here, 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 and here. And those are vertices, like where that arrow's pointing at all of those. Those what vertices are. Vertices and vertexes are the same thing, but I'm not really talking about vertexes because they're like the same thing, like exactly the same thing. And yeah, those what they are, and that's what it's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to add a like, and it's called the Edu Minions. That's what the channel's on, and I'm going to see you in the next one. And I hope you guys like it. And if you're wondering what those red things are, those are just the edges. And I hope next one I can tell you what edges are. And yeah, this is a part of my assignment. It's called Word Wall. And I'm doing this at school and on an iPad. So I'm going to see you in the next one.